Welcome to Quizmash. Test your knowledge with fun, educational, and hilarious questions that will make you think and laugh. Are you ready to challenge your brain? Let's get started.
Move one stick to balance the equation. 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 Move one stick to balance the equation.
That's a wrap on today's quiz. We hope you had a blast with these questions. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for future notice. Share your results below and keep pushing your boundaries with Quizmash. Catch you in the next quiz.